then only goes to all scriptural injunctions. Then he can go to heaven and come back. Otherwise he goes down. That all the insects and other animals he becomes. So what is telling? You work hard to realize that Brahman before falling of this body. And again he says, Ihaiva atmano darshanam adashastasyeva mukhasya spashtam upadyate. In this very Martyaloka, in this world, it is very easy to realize how, as you see clearly in a cleaned mirror. Yeah. Na loka antareshu. In all other words, in Gandharva loka and in the words of means, it is not clear. Just like you see the reflection in the water, something like that. But in Brahmaloka, you can clearly see the Atman. You can differentiate, just like light and darkness. In other places, you cannot see. Here you can see the experience the Atman clearly. But that Brahmaloka, he says, is very difficult to get. Such a dusprapaha, Brahmaloka. The monk or sannyasi who has renounced the world and only doing Shravana Manana Nidhyasan or Onkar Japa. If you do Onkar Japa in a day, 12,500 with many 3 to 6 matras, not simply telling Om, 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 like that. If you do 12,500 in one day, even then you will be sent to Brahmaloka. There, as long as Brahman is there, you have to stay. For one day of Brahman, how many years are there? 4,32,000 into 365 into 2, that is one day. And then 365 days in 1 year. So in one day, multiply. And he is having still 100 years. 365 into 100. You can imagine how many zeros you want to put, you calculate so many years. So, such a long period he has to be there. Then only if he does proper sadhana there, then he is released with Brahma. Here, you are having a span of life, say some 30, 40 years or 20 years. For do sadhana. Here also we are not able to expect to do sadhana all the time and properly. So how to expect for such a long time he will do their sadhana? And that also he says, it is very, very difficult. So much of sadhana you should do. And austerities you have to do. Then only you will go. Or Aswamedha Yaga is there. Panchagni Vidya is there for householders. They go there, but they enjoy all the happiness that is there in the Brahmaloka and they come back. That also is very difficult to get. That's why you cleanse your intellect and try to realize here is self. Because in the mirror you can see the reflection very clearly. But it is very difficult to get into Brahmaloka. And there are only so many rituals you have to do, and so much austerities you have to do, and so much knowledge you should possess. All these things are necessary. So very difficult to go to Brahmaloka. So what to do? Strive hard here itself. As long as this body is there. That the Upanishads want to tell the aspirants. Then he asks, Katham aso bodhavyaha kim va tad avabodhe prayojanam ityuchyate. How to know that Brahman? All right, I have known, I have experienced. So what are the fruits? What I will get by realizing that? That is the question. Here, mostly, most of the aspirants, they don't know what to do, how to reach that Almighty. They say, without studying Shastras, they say we are doing pranayama and meditation. On which you are meditating? What is your object of meditation? That's why one should know through Shastras the nature of Brahman, nature of Atman, and the oneness. Then only he can meditate properly and can progress in this religious life. Otherwise, no use. Then, nowadays, this yoga is so popular. What for? To keep good health. So early morning, they get up and go to yoga class. No reading Vedanta. Craziness. But now you heard Shanti mantras. Is it not? In that, the aspirant prays the Almighty and all the gods. Keep my limbs fit and my body fit so that I can meditate on you and can realize in this very life. So, even if one has to do an action according to the scriptural injunctions, you should know that first. Here also Nachiketa asks, I want to know that Yajna or Uche, ritual that takes to the heaven. That also Yama clears. We should know and then we should perform. And you should not commit any mistake. There in Brihadaranyaka it comes that Janaka asks a king who has taken the form of an elephant. Are, you have been doing the japa of Gayatri all through the life. Why you have become an elephant? He says, I don't know the face of the Gayatri, that's why I have become. See? So in that way, in rituals, even if you do a small mistake, you will be pushed down. Indra Satru Vardhasva. So the Vritrasura, the enemy of Indra, was performing a yajna to kill Indra. So they are putting the oblations. Indra Satru Vardhasva. The enemy of Indra should blossom, should get both prosperity and long life, all these things. But in pronunciation of the Sanskrit, as we know, Uche Rudata, Niche Randata, Samahar Swarita. So in this pronunciation, little difference was there. So the whole mantra has turned its meaning. The enemy of Vritrasura should get prosperity. Gone. So in the karma, first you should have the body consciousness, first you should superimpose your mind, and then all the sense organs and the body, doership and enjoyership, and they desire to perform all these yagas, and to fulfill your desire, go to heaven or get a son or get money, whatever you want. So many things are necessary. Starting from the mind, so many things. But here, in Vedanta, Jnana-kanda, remove everything. Only one thing is there, that is yourself of God. So much difference is there between the actions, karma and jnana. But here, as we heard, katham bodhavyam, how to know. So one should have good knowledge of scripture, srotriyaha, and you should aspire for realization also. That should be your main aim. In this very life, I want immortality, bodhavya. And afterwards, you should be one, you will be one with Brahman. And this Taittiriya says, in one moment, you will get the joy of all the world, all the human beings who are there. So, that much of joy you get. That is the fruit of this knowledge. Then he says how to know Indriyanam pruthak bhavam udayastamayo chayat pruthak utpadyamananam matva dhiro na sochati. these sense organs, including the mind, they are different from Atman, consciousness. Why? They are made up of subtle elements. Elements, as you know, they are inert. And Udayastamaya, they take birth and they dissolve. Tat. Hudagutpadyamananam matva dhiro nasyuchati. Oh, they are different and they are created. Yat kudakam tad anityam. Whatever is created, whatever is having effect from the cause, it gets destroyed. So, the sense organs are taking birth and they dissolve. Whoever knows that I am different from these sense organs, mind, body, he is dhira. Is a discriminating person. He is not worried about anything. Na sochati. The same thing in Chandogya it is told, Tarji Sogam Attavit. The knower of Atman, experiencer, he overcomes all the griefs, all the sorrow. That means something is there which he has overcome. That is this world full of sorrows, this body, mind and this complex. So, here he is answered like this. Yasmad Atmani Indriyana Pudakbhavam Vukto Nasau Bahir Adhigantavyaha. See, you have told these sense organs are different from the body. All right. But don't think they are outside. Yasmat Prityagatmasa Sarvasya. So, this, they are inside. And he is ruling everything, staying inside. That's why you should see the self that is pervading even your mind, sense organs and body. Only that is there. How? He says, Indriyebhya param mano manasa sattvam uttamam sattvadadi mahan atma mahato avyaktam uttamam. That mind is subtler than the sense organs. And the intellect is subtler than the mind. And Sattvadadi Mahan Atma. Sattva is intellect. So, this Mahat is subtler than the intellect. What is this Mahat? It is also mind. But it is the combination of all the subtle bodies. Mahat. That is we call Hiranyagarbha. And subtler than the Mahat is Avyakta, unmanifested. Just now we heard from the formless Brahman, Ishvara has come out, who is the cause. So he is like a seed of a big banyan tree. In that the whole, all the words, names and forms, everything are there. From the seed, sprout comes, and then it becomes a big tree, like that. But in Ishvara, we don't find any name and form of this all the words and all the human beings, etc. So that is called Avyakta. Nam Rupa Avyakta. They have not come out, sprout. So Mahato Avyaktam Uchyate. Even beyond Hiranyagarbha is Ishvara. Then Avyaktattu Parapurushaha. Vyapako Alinga Evacha. Yam Jnatam Uchyate Jantur Amrutatvancha Gacchati. That beyond unmanifested is the Supreme Brahman. Paraha Purushaha, beyond. Purnat Purusha,